Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can trap somebody's soul, or rather how to fill a soul gem in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. First of all, excuse me for using a screenshot. I'm doing this to save space, but it will work for this explanation just as well. First and foremost, what you're going to want to do to actually fill a soul gem is to, of course, have a soul gem, and you want to have either a soul trap spell, or you're going to want to use the soul trap enchantment on any of your weapons. Now, once you have an empty soul gem, and make sure it fits the soul that you are trying to collect, you can find the rankings of the souls all the way from lesser, or rather from petty up to grand for normal soul gems, and black for black soul gems. Black soul gems are pretty much soul gems which you use to harvest the souls of sentient beings, such as humans, NPCs, and so on and so forth. Daedra, Dramora, and yeah. But yeah, you need one of these soul trap spells and the adequate soul gem. Once you have both of those, you want to approach a NPC. The best way to do this is to use enemy NPCs, since soul traps do aggravate friendly NPCs. So once you actually use it on them, either through the spell or through the enchantment, you will have a small window of time to actually kill them, which is why enchanted items are a bit better, because each time you hit them, the counter resets, and you can just go ahead and kill them and harvest their souls. But yeah, once you soul trap that NPC, you will have a small window. You want to kill them in that window of time, and your soul will be automatically harvested, and your gem will be filled. That's been it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.